What you see now is one of our command vehicles, and normally we have this assigned at Charlotte, but for large events or things that are going on at Stanly County, we'll bring this down as one of the command vehicles for Stanly County. Truck you see coming out now is the aircraft rescue firefighting vehicle assigned to Stanly County. It carries 1,000 gallons of water and 130 gallons of foam, and it's designed specifically for aircraft firefighting. It only does, it specifically is set up so it can drive and pump water at the same time. So the amount of water it holds, again, 1,000 gallons, and it's designed to dump that tank in about 1 minute. The other truck that you'll see coming out in a minute, the other truck that you see coming out will provide the water that is needed to effectively put out a small frame aircraft assigned to Stanly County. So what we'll do is we'll pump water out of this truck. Once this truck is empty, the tanker will come in and supply this with water so we can eventually put the fire out on the aircraft. Again, he can drive this truck and pump at the same time. So if you have many fires around the aircraft, he can drive around the aircraft and actually put out fires in different locations. Something very different than you see in civilian firefighting vehicles. Once they pump, they are stationary. The truck you see coming here is the tanker. It holds 2,000 gallons of water. So what we would do is we would, once this truck is empty, we would tie this truck into this truck and pre-pump water into that truck. So it gives us that capability. Limiting factors we have on airports is that water isn't plentiful out on the runway, so that's why it's so important that we have a tanker assigned to the airport so it can provide that extra water needed if we do have a large fire and we have to control it, control that fire. That tanker is there to set up the needed water for that aircraft rescue firefighting vehicle. Now they're doing a resurfacing on the truck. They're tied into a hydrant there. They'll resupply the truck. Generally takes about a minute, and they'll be ready and in service again for any type of emergency that they may be faced with. Again, currently right now we have full-time. We have 2 firefighters assigned. Anytime we have flying operations at Stanly County, we have a minimum of 4 on staff, so we would ride 2 on the aircraft rescue firefighting vehicle and 2 on the tanker. And then obviously we're supplemented by Baden Volunteer Fire Department, Albemarle, New London, and depending on the size of the incident, maybe other departments from the area. We are also in the middle of construction for the fire station to build permanent dormitories for the firefighters, and we'll have 1 truck assigned to the front of the station here, and then the other 3 trucks that are assigned here will be coming out of the side of the station. And once that renovation is complete, we'll be able to house a minimum of 6 firefighters in the station at any one time.